Welcome everybody to Crypto Minute. In this episode, we're going to take a look at all the news from the past week. Sit back, relax, and watch your crypto. Now, Fidelity investing in a crypto exchange might have been the bullish story of the day, but pop culture entering the crypto space is way more bullish. The Simpsons explained cryptocurrencies with James Parson. It was quick, simple, and fun, and most likely the public will only take away that it has a distributed ledger and is the money of the future. And let's not forget, the Simpsons don't predict the future, they know the future. But don't get ready for the Citadel yet. There's still some uncertainty on the price action of the halving. Apparently there are two scenarios, good and bad, and half of the predictions are right half the time. Now seriously, can you get more indecisive about that? But Binance's CZ says it's time to buy.
Okay, now before I execute this order, are you sure you understand the risk?
Absolutely.
Now Libra is still plugging away at a stablecoin, and China did get derailed in its efforts because of the coronavirus. But now there's a great need for it. In China, people are protesting outside of banks because they can't get access to their funds. And some are in the opposite scenario. They're throwing their money because no one's accepting it and they can't use it. Or just because throwing paper seems to be encoded in human DNA. Crypto fact. The Bart chart pattern starts with eat my shorts and ends with don't have a cow. It is a liquidity gap and most importantly, an indicator of whale manipulation. This roller coaster won't be stuck for long. Now central banks with pending economic crises and realizing that their outdated flawed banking system needs to be changed have started to look into cryptocurrency, which is a great idea because their last innovation was the credit card, a much more efficient way to create debt. Now Dr. Doom, Nouriel Rubin, says that economic white swans will take the economy down. Coronaviruses, cyber warfare, tensions with Iran and China, and other things that Wall Street have been ignoring. I hate it when this guy's right. Now Twitter is a great Bitcoin indicator because it can anticipate volume and sentiment. And volume has been increasing and getting near the 2018 levels and surpassing the 2019 levels. But some people rather look at the price of pork bellies and crude oil than look towards the future. Crypto fact. A black swan event is a surprise that has a major effect on the market. And a white swan event is known and highly certain. So apparently more pop culture figures are noticing Bitcoin. Roger Haravac from Shark Tank has endorsed Bitcoin and says it's time to buy, and it's going to be worth $1 million long term. And Finnish authorities agree because they have confiscated $15 million worth of Bitcoin and they're going to hold on to it. Now this is not a truck spreading rainbows. The CDC told Americans to brace for the coronavirus, and the stock market dumped like it was Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has to prove itself as a safe haven asset. Retail investors have become a bit tentative, but ultimately, we are here in crypto because we know it solves this problem.
I got a $100 check from my grandma, and my dad said I need to put it in the bank so it can grow over the years.
Well, that's fantastic. A really smart decision, young man. We can put that check in a money market mutual fund. Then we'll reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
What?
It's gone. It's all gone.
WikiLeaks has received $39 million worth of Bitcoin donations since 2010. In one of Satoshi's last posts, he said, "It would have been nice to get this attention in any other context. WikiLeaks has kicked the hornet's nest, and the swarm is heading towards us." But both WikiLeaks and Bitcoin are still here today and still censorship resistant. Crypto fact. The reward for the Genesis block was 50 Bitcoin and contains the headline from the Times. Chancellor on brink of second bailout, January 3rd, 2009. JP Morgan is exploring Bitcoin options for their clients and see a genuine demand for Bitcoin derivatives. Now, Bitcoin suffered another rejection of the Bitcoin ETF. Apparently investors aren't scared of crypto, just the financial system. Fear of the coronavirus is still affecting the markets, and Bitcoin has not been proven a safe haven. Right now, Bitcoin's just doing what Bitcoin's doing. And just remember, most likely weak hands are just getting shaken out. So don't worry, we're going to be fine.
The virus that we're talking about having to do, a lot of people think that goes away in April with the heat, as the heat comes in. Typically that will go away in April. We're in great shape.
Can intelligence agencies spy on your crypto? Yes and no. If you hit the like button and use privacy coins, it would be hard to track you. But Bitcoin is pseudo-anonymous, and most likely you have revealed or will reveal your identity. Crypto fact: we can refers to a trader or investor whose strategies lack conviction or lack resources to carry them out. Now don't worry about Bitcoin, we're right where we need to be. Getting fuel, testing old supports for the rocket trip on the decade-old trend line to you-know-where, well, that's just opinion. But Ethereum looks like it's priming up. Litecoin launched 13,000 ATMs in South Korea, and the cryptoverse is still alive and well. There is going to be some turbulence according to the Fear and Greed Index, but don't trade or invest with your emotions. Surely you must be serious about your crypto investments.
Surely you can't be serious. I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
The SEC fined Steven Seagal for not disclosing he was paid by an ICO for promotion. I guess this was a fight that he couldn't win with random objects. Crypto fact: an ICO is an initial coin offering, where investors purchase tokens before the coin launches. Now it's high risk and unregulated, so always be wary of these ICOs. Alright, well thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed it, support it, hit like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. And again, thank you, have a fucking awesome day, and see you next week.